Okay, so I just bought a Mini Cooper, or a Clubman to be more specific. Missing side markers. Okay, with the blinker out, here it is. To remove the bulb, you just turn it, this one turned counterclockwise, and then it comes out. You can see it has a groove on it. That groove goes into this slot. We've got these hooks, one right here, one right here, and they point to the back of the car. And so we're gonna start in the front. Here, there you go. With the hood up, so we get a little bit more room to work with. We're gonna start with the front, put the hooks in, and then I'm gonna slide it back. Ta-da! How does that look to you?
Good.
There we go. Blinkers.